Maybe you tried the middle part before and maybe it did not look that good on you. But the truth is, the middle part looks like a very easy hairstyle. You just make a line in the middle and done. But in real life, it is actually a very tricky hairstyle. There are so many small details that nobody tells you, and that is why most people fail. In this video, I will tell you what I learned in the last 2 years. After taking so many awkward mirror selfies, after trying different cards, after making mistakes, and after talking to those barbers who actually understand long hair. By the end of this video, you will clearly know why it did not work on you before and how you can make it work now. After this, you will not need any other middle part tutorial. Let us start. Number 1, the middle part trick. The middle part looks very simple. You split your hair from the middle and you think done. But what you see on Instagram is just the final look. You do not see how the barber shaped the sides, what layers are needed and how many months it took to grow the hair to the right length. Middle part is not just making a line in the middle. You need enough length for it. You need proper balance on both sides and you need the right haircut so the hair falls naturally. If the middle part did not look good on you, it does not mean your face is bad or your hair is bad. Most of the time, the problem is you did not have the right cut, the right length, or the right styling. When you understand this system, the middle part does not feel like a trend. It actually starts looking like a hairstyle that suits you. Number 2, the 5-layer system. The middle part is not just one hairstyle. It is a system, and it only works when 5 things are correct. First, length. Your hair should be long enough so both sides fall naturally. If the hair is too short, it will not split. It will just stand up or fall back. Second, structure. You need layers in your haircut without layers. The hair looks too heavy and flat. There is no movement. The style looks dead. Third, texture. If your hair is very silky and flat, then styling becomes hard. A little natural roughness is actually better. It helps the hair hold its shape. Fourth, styling. You need the right product and the right method. If you randomly put too much product, the hairstyle will collapse in just a few hours. Fifth, maintenance. You need a little daily effort. Do not use a comb. It makes the hair too flat. Use your fingers and train your hair to go to the middle. If you do it daily, your hair will naturally start falling into shape. If even one of these steps is missing, the whole look will get messed up. Fix the system. The style will automatically get fixed. Number 3, different middle part styles. The middle part is not just one single hairstyle, it is just the base. Different styles are made on top of it. Style number 1, cut and cut. The safest option, soft balanced. It suits almost every face shape. If you are confused, start from here. Style number 2, undercut. Bold look sides, short top long. More sharp and strong feeling. Style number 3, messy texture. Low effort style. It moves naturally. A little imperfect but stylish. Style number 4, slick back. Formal look. Best for meetings, events, and serious places. Style number 5, classic flow. Relaxed, effortless look. It gives a calm and confident feeling. Middle part does not mean copying one Instagram look. Choose the version that matches your personality, your routine, and your lifestyle. The one that feels natural is the best one. Number 4, styling is everything. People think once they get the haircut, the hairstyle will automatically look perfect. But that does not happen. You have to train the middle part every day. Most guys do not fail because of bad hair, but because of weak styling method. The correct way is this. Style your hair when it is a little bit wet. Not fully wet and not fully dry. Use a little bit of leave-in conditioner or light products. In a small amount, find your natural part. Push your hair back. Where it naturally splits, style it from there. Blow dry from front to back. Then gently guide both sides from the center. Do not put too much product. The hair becomes flat. When the hair is almost dry, turn off the blow dryer. If your middle part gets messed up in 2 to 3 hours, then the problem is not the hairstyle, it is your technique. The difference between average and great is not because of genes. It is because of daily effort. Right length, right cut, right styling. Apply this. Be patient and do it every day. If this video was helpful, then like the video and subscribe to the channel. And yes, do not forget to press the bell icon. Thank you, and see you again in the next video.